Hey, good morning, everyone. Today we are doing unboxing of MetaQuest 3. It is the latest MetaQuest by Facebook. I recently purchased it from a Target. There was a deal on it. It came with the game Asgard, the latest version of it. So let's unbox. This is a 128 GB model. So let's unbox it and let's see what's inside of this. So before doing that, let's look at the front of it, the packaging from outside, the logo on the top, some description, model serial number at the bottom. It does have some description in multi-language, and it tells you what the box has inside of it. So as you can see, it does have two controllers and the headset itself, the charging cable, the power adapter. So, um, so let's open up the box and let's see what the contents looks like inside. So, cardboard box, and let's open it. So as you open, you see the MetaQuest 3 headset with the two controllers right there. So these controllers, as you can see, are different than the previous model. They don't have that circular thing that was in there before. Um, so this one is for your left hand with two buttons at the bottom. The design is pretty much except those two. The circular thing is the same. So this one is the left one with the analog stick, and this one is the right one, right hand. What by right one I mean for the right hand. Same design with the strap. So these are the two controllers. So let's look at the headset itself. So let's take it out and let's see what the design different there is compared to the previous model. As you can see, the front is significantly different from the previous model. There are two cameras, and in between the sensor. Here is the charging port, which is a USB-C connector. There's a power button, some sensors. That's the aux to the left. This one actually for your inside the space, just to adjust the spacing between the eyes to see how to adjust the focus. Some sensors here and the volume buttons right there. That's the aux. So rest of it, the design itself is pretty much the same with some minor adjustments that are in my experience, because I have used MetaQuest 2 as well, so they are better than MetaQuest in MetaQuest 3. So here is what it looks like from the inside. You can see the nose area is different than the MetaQuest 2 model, but the overall headset looks pretty firm, uh, pretty durable, nice design. I do see an upgrade. Other than that, there is a box in the back of it, which I haven't actually used because I've had the other chargers, USB-C chargers. This is the power adapter, a round, nice a white color power adapter with the USB um, C connector to it. Which, like I said, when you plug it in, it does have a light here that actually tells you if it's out of battery. It's pretty much red or orange, and as it gets charged or it gets fully charged, the light becomes green. So that's how you know the if it's charged or not. Other than that, it has the cable in there, which is good length USB-C to USB-C cable. And other than that, there is a small booklet that gives you information on the buttons that are on the device and what their functions are. and some safety instructions and some instruction manual. So that's all there is to the box, and I've been using it for about a week now, and I really like the device. I really like the AR experience that it offers. Once charged, it does give about an hour and a half battery. Depends on what kind of use you are having with it, but highly recommend it. And thank you for watching.